Hi everyone, welcome back to another unedited Glossybox box unboxing. God, try saying that 3 times fast. My voice is a little bit croaky today because I'm just coming off the end of quite a bad cold, so I hope nobody else out there is having the same illness problems that I am. The joy of the world opening back up, eh? Anyway, Glossybox in the UK this month has decided to give us another themed box again. So there were 2 different ones that we could have got this month. They are themed around Masquerade, and I got the version of The Truth. There was also a red version called, I think it's Secrets, something like that. But the contents inside are exactly the same, so it doesn't really matter. But yes, this is the box. It's beautiful. I do love the special edition glossy boxes. And I have actually looked inside this one already just so I could get prepped for the video. But I'm going to go through the contents now. So, once you open the box, the first thing you see is a beautiful little masquerade mask. That's quite cute, actually. Yeah, that's really nice. That's good if you've got you know, kids, I suppose. I don't, so I'm just gonna wear it myself. No elastic, but you do get the usual Glossybox ribbon, so I suppose you can loop that round and make it into an actual mask. I'm gonna do that for the thumbnail. A little bit of editing. And you also have the usual Glossybox little magazine thing that tells us all about what's inside. So I'll be going through that. And then the general tissue paper, this stuff, which we'll, you know, dump out and work our way around. So, like I say, I've briefly had a look at what is in here, so I know what to expect. I've done my face appropriately because there are a couple of makeup items that I'm going to use as we go along, so I'll let you know what they are and what they're like. So, let's go through in the order that the Glossybox leaflet tells us to. So, first thing, this month we're stepping into the wonderful world of the Masquerade Ball, where secrets are whispered and daring truths are told. I suppose it's a bit Halloween-y as well, isn't it, with masks and stuff, so yeah, that seems quite on brand. So anyway, stop waffling, Jepson. So this is the first thing that is in here. This is a Josephine Cosmetics lipstick. It's called Lip Slash Power, the Bold Matte Liquid Lipstick. Luxurious and vibrant, this powerful velvety matte liquid lip colour. Oh yes, I love liquid lip colours. I use liquid ones way more often than I use bullets just because I find them so much easier to work with. But I think the fashion at the minute isn't towards liquid lipsticks. So, ooh. This looks very similar to, is it Illamasqua who does this type of packaging? It's also very similar to Luda Beauty, I think it is, Manny MUA's brand. But yeah, it's, I think that's plastic. So that's cute. Okay, let's see. It's a stunning deep shade of red in Tiffany. Ooh, that'd be nice. High impact natural ingredients, olive, coconut and argan oils, as well as vitamin E for a superbly moisturising texture that offers long wear too. Well, that's good, because the problem with matte liquid lipsticks are they're notoriously drying, aren't they? So let's let's have a go with this then. This retails for £21.80, so it better be good. So, oh, it's got a nice doe foot, one of the ones with the little divots in there so it catches your stuff. So I haven't bought in a mirror, so this is going to be fun. I'm going to stare into your soul while I use the camera lens. Oof, that's bright. Oh, it goes on nice though. Okay, as far as application goes, that's more than a little bit crooked, but like I say, I was so prepared, I forgot to bring in a mirror. But that went on really nice, that's lovely, and it's a true red, which always annoys me when you get lipsticks, because I know there's the different undercolours, there's blues and pinks and oranges and whatever, but true red is quite hard to find. So yeah, okay, I'm a fan of that. I'll let you know towards the end of the video if it's drying out or anything. But yeah, okay, so far we're doing all right. Okay, the next thing in here is a Ico Spotlight highlighter pencil. Now there's 2 on the thing, and I got 2 in my box. So I'm assuming that that's not an error, and I'm meant to have 2. Highlighter pencil, Spotlight. Ooh. They look both exactly the same, and they're both in the champagne shade, so I'm going to assume they were meant to send me 2, or if not, I'm going to say I got lucky. Let me know if you get Glossybox, the UK edition. Let me know if you got 2 as well. I'll put one to one side anyway. So this is from Ico. It's the Spotlight highlighter pencil. Raise your brows up a level with this brow arch highlighter in a gorgeous champagne gold shade. Formulated with jojoba oil and easy to blend, your brows will look their best for up to 8 hours. And it can also be used in the inner corners of your eyes to brighten your peepers too. Okay, so this is a highlighter pencil. So, take my glasses off, have a go with this. Again, I'm going to stare into your soul. Please apologise. Please apologise. Please ignore my eyebrows. They are awful today. But then, what more do you come to expect? Oh, I quite like that. Okay. Try that under this one as well. It's definitely going on. I don't know if that's made much of a difference. I might just be too pale for it actually to do anything. Let's try it in the inner corner. I don't know about you guys, but I can't actually see that in the inner corner. So I'm going to go off book a little bit and try and do a nose highlight. I honestly don't know if you should use it for this. I'm just going... I can't see anything on camera, but that, again, might be because I haven't got my glasses on. Oh, there's a bit of a highlight. Okay, if I use it on my hand, I can actually see some colour. It's like gold. It's okay. I'm not sure it's fabulous. But again, for a brow highlight, I mean, I don't know. Tell me what you think at the bottom. I'll try this again when I've actually got a mirror to see the results properly. But yeah, yeah, it's a highlighter. It'll get used. I got 2, so it better be decent. Yeah, okay. Well, they retail for £15 each. So, you know, I've made out like a bandit if I did get a free one. Yeah, it's not terrible. It's good. It's fine. Actually, more I look at it, the more it is kind of enhancing my eyebrow. So I do actually like that. And I like that it's something very specifically for that as well, rather than using, because I use powder highlighters. And they're not quite precise enough to carve your brows out with. So actually something like this is something I'm quite keen to try. Anyway, moving on. So the next thing in here is this, which is a St. Lux setting spray. So this lightweight setting mist is perfect for giving your makeup a glowy finish. It's formulated to allow you to achieve flawless makeup and is good for your skin. Oh, there you go. It should hydrate as well, so it's a bit of a hydrating mist as well as a setting mist. And this retails for £18. So let's have a look at this. I love good setting spray. And I am actually getting to the end of my setting spray, so this is quite timely. Okay, that's what it looks like. Looks a little bit cheap for £18, but okay. Instructions, shake well before use. Okay. I'm shaking well. Let's see what these sprays are like. Oh, that is a fine mist. It's not a spitting dinosaur, spit in your face style. It is actually a mist. It just surprised me. So let's see. Ooh, that smells lovely. Ooh, what does that smell of? There's no ingredients. I think that smells slightly peachy. I don't know if that's just because it's a peach bottle and that's, you know, suggested to my brain, but no, I like that. That's nice. And the spray was really good. So it's quite a fine mist that comes out, so you don't feel like you're getting spat on, which is a problem with some of the setting sprays I've used in the past. Yeah, cool. That's good for me. 2 definite wins, 1 maybe. So far we're doing all right. So there's 2 more things left. The next one is this, which is Boob Tube Grab Your Melons Body Lotion. Okay. Oh, so this is by Anatomicals. Top tip, knowing your boobs could save your life, so remember to check your chest. Oh, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Makes sense now. Okay, so this special edition watermelon body lotion is created exclusively for glossies. As well as hydrating and moisturising your skin, this one-off lotion has a gorgeous watermelon fragrance. This is a deluxe 50ml mini, which is worth £1. For a full-size 200ml, it's £4. That's not it though. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this is helping support the invaluable work of Copperfield, who are obviously a big breast cancer charity here in the UK. The leading UK breast cancer charity. For every sale of the full-size Grab Your Melons body lotion, Anatomicals donates 40p of the sale, 40 pence from the sale of each tube to Copperfield. Okay, it's a body lotion basically. It's a watermelon scented body lotion that is reminding us all to check our boobies. So those of you out there that've got boobs, whether you identify as male or female, check, have a good squidge. My boobs are a quote from the waitress, which I identify with incredibly. Anyway, let's pull the seal off this and see if it actually does smell like watermelon. Oh, it does. Yeah, it's got that watermelon-y scent. Let's see how it feels. I'm not a huge body lotion person, actually, so this will probably end up going to either my mother or my sister, both of whom are. Oh, that's nice. It's a little bit... not greasy. Greasy's not the word. It's thick. So, I mean, I'm assuming that's actually quite good for a body lotion. And the watermelon scent is quite subtle, so it's not overpowering or anything. It's not gonna, it's not really in your face. Actually, I might keep that one. I like that smell. I'm gonna have to start using body lotion. Okay, yeah, that's nice, and got to feel good supporting charity. I'm assuming Glossybox have donated something. Doesn't actually say on here. So Glossybox, I really hope you have donated to charity to have your name on these things. But yeah, if you fancy supporting the Copperfield charity, grab yourself a full-size one of these, 200ml for £4. That's damn good for a body lotion, really. Yeah, fantastic. And then the final thing in this month's Glossybox is This Works Stress Check Clean Hands. So I think this is just, yeah, it is, kills 99.9% of bacteria. This is just hand sanitizer. Protect, clean and nourish your hands between washes with this 98% natural antibacterial hand gel. Essential oils of lavender, nerole and chamomile relieve feelings of tension and help you unwind, while hyaluronic acid cleanses and hydrates hands without the need to rinse. It's hand sanitizer. I believe it might be hand lotion. No, that's definitely hand sanitizer. And no matter what it says it smells of, it just smells like alcohol. Oh, the fact that it smells really, really perfumey. Oh, God. Lavender, neroli and chamomile. Oh, no. Can't smell. I don't know what neroli smells like. That might be what's overcoming it. But, oh, that smells like really cheap old lady Poundland perfume. So that's a bit grim. It doesn't stick around, luckily, so it's not terrible. And as far as hand sanitizer goes, it feels fine. And yeah, I'm glad actually that there is a bit of a reminder to keep doing all the safety stuff. People have stopped wearing masks in supermarkets, and that makes me feel really anxious. So you can peel my mask away from my cold dead face. So this will live in my car or in, you know, my front entryway to remind me to wash my hands when I get in. But yeah, I mean, it's a bit of a dud to end on, but it's an important dud, I suppose. And that is it. So what have we got? So this, lovely. It's really comfortable on my lips. It was really nice and easy to put on, so I'm really pleased with that. That is a really good. That's made the box worth it because it's 21 quid lipstick, and your box is like 12 quid with postage. So that's made the box worth it for me. These, like I say, I need to play with them, use them with a mirror so I can actually see what difference they've made. But yeah, I think it's cute. It's probably going to be exclusively a brow product, which is a bit meh because like I'm probably never going to use the second one of these. I'll actually give it away. Yeah, I'll give it to my sister. She'll make use of it. But yeah, still decent. And Ico's a good brand, so I'm all right with that. This setting spray is lovely. It smells amazing, and my skin isn't tacky or anything, so it's dried in quite nicely. So pleased with that. Boob tube, check your tits. Make sure there's no lumps. If you find any lumps, go and see a doctor. You can find instructions online. I'm assuming Copperfuel, which is spelled Coppafeel. I'm assuming you can go to their website and there'll be details of how to do a self-love check. And yeah, it's a nice little body lotion. Might actually convince me to start using body lotions because it does smell nice. And then this is hand sanitizer. It'll get used. So, all in all, 3 wins, 2 partial wins. That's a good Glossybox month. You know what? And it hasn't arrived on time. Like, actually on time, which it didn't last month. We were weeks late. So I would say Glossybox have managed to do a win this month. Let me know if you get Glossybox down below. If you're in the UK, did you get these products? What do you think of them? And if you're not in the UK, because I know America has a Glossybox and it's usually completely different, so let me know what you guys got this month as well. And I will see you in the next one. Okay then, bye!